How to cut out an image online for free. First, in your browser, head over to photopea.com. Then click on Start using Photopea. Next, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on File. And then click on Open. Select the file that you would like to cut out. And click on Open. Make sure that the background layer right here is selected. Then on top, go to Select and click on Remove BG. This will immediately cut out the background of your image. If you still see some flaws, you can actually zoom in a little bit and fix these. To do so, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then use the mouse wheel to zoom in. Next, on the right side, make sure that the image layer right here is selected. Then in the left toolbar, equip the razor tool. And finally, brush over the areas that you would like to remove. Once you're done, to export your image with a transparent background, go to File in the upper left corner of the screen, hover over Export As, and then click on PNG. Then click on Save. Adjust the name if necessary, and finally click on Save. And that's it, you have now finally cut out the image, and here's how it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.